The Airjack 90 competition represents a groundbreaking advance in automotive technology and is specifically designed for high-performance racing scenarios. This innovative pneumatic hoist system was designed by a team of experts. These pneumatic jacks are mounted directly to the vehicle, and 4 of them can lift 1.6 tons. It seamlessly combines lightweight materials with sturdy construction to deliver unparalleled efficiency, as evidence of its superiority. The Airjack 90 competition has already gained recognition among professional racing teams. It sets new standards for speed, reliability, and precision in the demanding world of motorsport. The price for a set of 4 jacks and accessories is $2,700. Mirack spare wheel carriers are specially designed solutions for securely transporting spare wheels with durability in mind. In various vehicles, it is compatible with any standard wheel with 5 or 6 stud mounting patterns. This provides easy access to the 30 kilograms trunk. There is a version that opens either to the left or to the right. Its price is $1,430. The WS roller spinner system provides a great solution when you can't start the engine, clogged brake system, or stalled vehicles. These TIR Likey discs can be easily attached to the wheel hubs, making it easy for emergency responders, mechanics, and others to move the vehicle quickly. Each individual can bear up to 1,500 kilograms of weight. They only work to a limited extent on uneven surfaces, such as pavement or gravel. Its speed reaches 8 kilometers per hour. This system will allow you to air all 4 tires in less than 9 minutes to get you back on the road as quickly as possible, using 3 8-inch high-flow air lines. This expanded kit includes everything needed to know the measured tire pressures for all 4 wheels when the system is connected. Price $338. People often neglect to wash car mats regularly, and it takes a lot of time or effort to do so. Additionally, floor rugs often take hours to dry. With Trap mats are made of EVA, which is odor and water resistant and has antibacterial properties. Simply separate the 2 layers and wash away sticky liquids or dust in just seconds. It stays clean effortlessly. Dirt and dust pass through the upper layer and collect at the bottom, and you can get a pair for $39. Elevate your cooking with this compact, convenient, and durable solution that turns your car into a mobile kitchen. HitchFire expands options for car owners interested in outdoor cooking. This innovative setup attaches seamlessly to your vehicle's hitch, with a stove, sink, cooking space, and small shelves placed on this arm. The basic version for a small kitchen is priced at $850. In Germany alone, 15,000 cars catch fire every year. Here comes RSL Fire Company, a leading provider of fire suppression systems designed specifically for vehicles, to save your beloved car and prevent it from turning into a pile of debris. These systems integrate seamlessly into vehicle cabins without compromising performance. Loaded with 200 grams of extinguishing agent, the system operates automatically using a set of temperature and flame sensors. They release a spray that extinguishes the fire within seconds, which provides reliable protection against unexpected fire threat on the road. Decked drawer systems revolutionize organizational efficiency and cargo management in your vehicle, providing a premium solution for maximizing storage space. It provides full support for up to 97 kilograms of payload without any compromises. Ergonomic design ensures easy access to tools, gear, and equipment, promoting an organized and clutter-free workspace. You can purchase the decked system for $1339. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional shelves with a stag rack that allows 4 snowboards, 4 pairs of skis, or 2 bicycles to be transported seamlessly with any vehicle. This innovative rack system features a universal design that can easily attach to the roof, trunk, or hatchback of your vehicle in less than a minute for $379. Convert your pickup truck into a dump truck, made of 12 GA steel. The insert will fit a 6-foot domestic truck bed on 3 4-ton and higher pickup trucks. The installation process is clear and straightforward. The body is attached to the frame. The entry provides a payload capacity of 2.7 tons and a lifting angle of 45 degrees. An independent 3-horsepower unit connects to the vehicle's electrical system to operate the winch up-down. You can easily control it using the remote control or directly from the cabin connected to the electrical system. It is available to everyone for $4,900. Teddy Ride once embarked on an innovative project to upgrade your ride with Teddy Ride Shoe Cleaner. Works just like a doormat. It is a convenient accessory that can be easily attached to your car door. It allows you to quickly remove sand, snow, and dirt from your shoes before getting into the car. This keeps your car carpet clean and reduces the need for frequent washing. A tidy riding block is available for $11. Chock and Lock is an advanced dual pivot wheel lock designed for maximum security and stability. Made with precision engineering, it ensures a strong grip on the dual axle trailer wheels. Featuring an intuitive throttle mechanism, it reacts quickly to the tires. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to store and transport, which makes them useful not only for camping trailers, but also for other types of trailers. Each Chock is priced $55. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.